We, the students of Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul International School, are going to show our devotion towards Bhagavan Sri Swaminarayan and Bhagavan Sri Krishna by reciting the 12th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Om Sri Krishna Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Atharvadasodhyayah Bhakti Yoga Arjuna Uvacha Evam Satatayittaye Bhakta Swam Parayupasate Echaksharamadvyaktam Tesham Ke Yoga Vittamaha.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Maya Vesha Manoima Nityayukta Upasate Pradhaya Parayopeta Steme Yukta Dhamamata
Etvaksharamanideshyam Avyaktam Parayupasate Sarvatra Gamatyam Cha Kotastamachalam Dhruvam
Samniyamendriya Vyamam Sarvatra Samabuddhayah Te Brahmamadhyamameva Sarvabhutadhideratam
Klesodikatarasteshyam Avyakta Sakta Chetasam Avyakta Hikate Dukkham Devabhiravakyate
Ketu Sarvani Dharmani Vesanyasya Matpega Ananyenaiva Yogena Mam Dhyayanta Upasate
Tesham Aham Samudratam Mrityu Samsara Sagara Bhavani Nachila Patra Maya Veshita Chetasam
Mayeva Manahadatsva Vaikuddhim Nivesayah Nivashisyasi Mayeva Adahodhvam Na Samsayah
Yada Chittam Samadatum Na Sakshnoyi Maya Stiram Adhyasa Yogena Tataha Mamichaptam Dhananjaya
Abhyasevya Samadhosi Matkarma Paramo Bhava Madadhamapi Karmani Kurvan Siddhimavapsasi
Ade Tadapyashattosi Kartumajyogamashita Sarva Karma Paratyaga Tatah Puriyatatmavam
Shreyo Jnanam Abhyasa Jnanam Vishishyate Jnanam Karma Paratyaga Tyagacchandi Narantaram
Adveshta Sarva Bhutanam Maitra Karuneva Cha Nirmamo Nirankaraha Samadukka Sukakshame
Santusta Satatam Yogi Dharma Druta Nishchayah Mayarpitamanurbuddhi Yomadhakta Same Priyah
Yasmanno Vidite Loko Lokano Vidite Chayaha Arsha Mashya Vayudhegai Mukto Yassaccha Me Priyaha
Anapekshah Suchidaksha Udasino Gatavyatah Sarvarambha Parityagi Yomadhakta Same Priyah
Yo na Hrishyati na Dveshti na Sochati na Kanchati Subha Subha Parityagi Bhaktimanya Same Priyaha
Samah Satrocha Mitrecha Tatah Manava Manayam Sitosna Sukha Dukkhesu Samah Sangha Vivarjitah
Tulya Nindasthatir Mauni Sandasto Yena Kenachit Anigeta Srimati Bhaktiman Me Priyo Naraha
Etu Dhanyamrutamidam Yetoktam Pariyupasate Shraddha Dhanam Parama Bhaktanstetiva Me Priyah
Om Tat Saritat Srimad Bhagavad Gita Subanishitsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Sastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Bhakti Yogo Nama Dvadasodhyaya. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.